Rabiano. This street is mostly famous for its street food. So let's explore. Right. So basically we ordered chicken steak with mushroom sauce, salad and fries. And the next dish is sak tavuk. It is this is a Turkish pizza. Turkish chicken pizza. So we are going inside the street shop.
Okay.
So there are a lot of sweets. So we ordered some Turkish sweet dishes. Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to Street Food Around You. And today we are going to explore. Of course, we are going to explore street food. So let's go. Look at the beautiful church. Wow.
Wow.
So we arrived at Rabiano. This street is mostly famous for its street food. So let's explore it.
Look at this. Plenty of choice. So this street we cannot cover for a single day for sure. We may come back again, but now let's see. Plenty of choices. Basically here the Turkish, Arabic, so Lebanese, so that kind of food is available. Those are mostly. Look at this. Everywhere food and food. Okay, so we are going to this. Let's see whatever things are available.
So our food has arrived. So basically we ordered chicken steak with mushroom sauce, salad and fries. And the next dish is sak tavuk. It is basically chicken curry. It comes with bread, two types of sauce, a red and a white, and some salad. So let's dig in. So I'm gonna start with the steak. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna try the mushroom. I love mushrooms. I love mushroom. Yummy. So okay. I'm gonna try the chicken. Okay. That's a big chunk of chicken. Let me cut it in half. Okay. The chicken is so good. It's nicely roasted and stuff, and it goes really well with the mushroom sauce. Yummy. So I'm gonna try some fries. They're good. So I really like the sauce. I'm gonna try another piece of chicken because I love chicken. I know we can't eat sauce with the forks. We also ordered another dish. This is a Turkish pizza. Turkish chicken pizza. It looks really yummy, but I'm gonna try this one. This dish, sak tavuk. Put this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with this bread. I want to try the chicken. I'm gonna taste the chicken first. This has a lot of flavor of tomatoes. Yummy. So it's dipped in sauce and it's really good. So I'm gonna try with the bread.
It's quite hot.
I'm gonna try with the bread. Okay. I'm gonna have some sugar. It tastes even better with the bread. Yummy. This has a lot of flavor of the tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna try with the sauce now. I'm gonna get some chicken in it. And I'm gonna dip it in this sauce, this white sauce. I don't know what sauce is this. Wow, that seems like mayo. Now with this red sauce. Hopefully this isn't spicy. I don't know what flavor is this. I don't like that, but it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try some salad. That's good too. Okay, that's the extra bread. That's the same bread as this one. Okay, so let's move on to another dish. Thank you. Okay, this is really big. Okay, so this is a Turkish pizza, chicken pizza. Okay, I'm gonna try with this piece first. It looks really yummy. Tomatoes, chicken, and cheese, of course. Okay. Oh, the bread. Oh, it's a bit different than a normal pizza bread. It's so very soft and spongy, the bread. Okay, it's roasted. It's really good. Oh my god, I really love the chicken. Oh, and the bread. Oh my god. The bread is really good. Oh my god. I don't know if there's any cheese because I don't taste any. But it's really good. So this is the Turkish pizza. I've never tried a Turkish pizza. So we are done with the food. Now we are heading out of the restaurant.
Yes. That's it.
It was really amazing and it was really tasty. I really loved it over there. And first of all, I never tried Turkish pizza. This was my first time trying a Turkish pizza. So, mwah. So we are going inside the sweet shop.
Okay.
So there are lots of sweets.
Plenty of variety. Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, so
Let's go upstairs.
let's go upstairs.
So we ordered some Turkish sweet dishes. So in all of these items, I only know one dish. This is macarons. Okay, I only know. So let me test them all. So I'm gonna start with this one. This seems like pistachio. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is really sweet. Like really sweet. It is like this. This is like sugar, hardened sugar, like squiggly forms, and this is the filling is pistachios and some sugar syrup and maybe other ingredients. The pistachios is dependent. So let's look at inside this dish. Whoa, there are two layers. Inside it's pistachio, so it's really interesting to look at this. Okay, so let's see about the other dishes. So macarons. I love macarons. Yes, I do. So I'm gonna try the macaron. This is a chocolate macaron. The chocolate inside is so creamy and it's very delicate. I just like held it like that, it broke the biscuit. Wow, it's crunchy and soft and I really love it. Okay, on to the next dish. This seems sticky. Okay. Yes, it is sticky. You can see some that sugar syrup in that. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, let me see. Whoa. Whoa. This is really sweet. So, on to the next dish, sweet dish. So, this looks like a roll. We don't know any of these. Whoa. So as you can see, the inside is really crisp, like sticky and gooey, and it's really creamy. And the outside is seriously okay. On to the next dish. Okay. Oh my God, it's really. Cut it. Come on. I managed. Huh? Some nuts also inside there. Almonds maybe. Oh. Oh, you can see that. Wait, I'll lift it up for you guys. Okay, so this is the that you can see. There's all the nuts, and it's really gooey and sticky. The second layer. Out of all these ones, this one, macarons, the pistachio macarons, and this one. These three are my favorite ones. I really like them. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and share the video too. So goodbye. See you sweets.